Hello everyone and welcome back. Now let's get to this video. Now I'm going to start off with my P. Louise Pro Base Concealer and just pat that all over my eyelid. I'm using the shade Blank Canvas. Using a tapping motion is the best way to set in the product. Now with the fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend that all in together. Now I'm going to use the shade Sol from the Milk Cosmetics Vida palette and just put that all over my crease. We really want to pack that color on there. Then I'm just going to blend that out to my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Agua Ardiente and place that on the cut crease. After we pack that color in, we are just going to blend it out using a fluffy brush. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Chocolate and place that onto the cut crease to give it more of a darker shade. Now I'm going to use the P. Louise Pro Base, and this is a shade white to really cut in that crease. Just have your crease be your guide to get the right shape you're looking for. And I am doing this a little higher than my natural crease because we are going to add some colors underneath. Then we are going to wipe off the colors below. The reason why I do this is just so we don't pack makeup on top of makeup. Now I'm going back with the white concealer and just gonna tap that underneath so that way we can really bring out those colors to be very vibrant. Having a white base before you put on colorful eyeshadow is definitely a good trick to know because it really brings out those colors very brightly. And of course, I'm just going to blend that in from the outer corners. And go in the shade Mexicana. And I'm just going to place that right in the inner corner and just leave it right there. Really pack on that product to be very bright, as you can see. And of course, we're going to add some little pan dulce on that next to Mexicana and really blend that together. Then I'm going to use the shade Amor Eterno and just pack that right next to pan dulce. Don't forget to blend those two colors together. Next, I'm going to use Papel Picado, and I'm just going to place that right next to that yellow color. I'm going to go back and using Blank Canvas and cut the crease. This is the second crease that I was talking to you guys about. And as you can see, the white base definitely made an improvement of making those colors very bright. And of course, we are just going to clean the bottom off. And again, apply the base and blend it all out. Right here, I'm just setting the base with a very nude tone eyeshadow. For the wing, I'm using papel picado, and I'm just gonna brush that right in there. And I'm gonna use the shade Sarape and just place that right on that wing. Now I'm just gonna remove the tape and look how sharp that is. Okay, face time. Now I'm gonna go with my Milk Hydro Primer and place that all over my face. Then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Concealer and place that on my face and blend it all out. I like to really keep the highlight very concentrated in the middle of my face. And then I'm going with my Fenty foundation and blend that all over my face as well. Then I'm going with the KVD Lock-It setting powder and place that under my eyes and chin. Now I'm going to contour my face from the Morphe palette using the shade Donut and place that under my cheeks and my jawline. Then we are going to cut that contour and brush everything out from the middle of my face. Now I'm going to go with my Black Cosmetics Moonlighter in Centipede and place that on my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, and chin. And I'm going to use a different shade called Shroom and do the same exact thing. For blush, I'm going to use my Genesis from Milk Cosmetics and place it on my cheeks. Then brush off the setting powder I had underneath. Then I'm going with the shade Alegria and place that on the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm going with Lunar Angel Lashes from the shade Sky Gazer. Then I'm going to go in with the Black Moon Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Sanguis. Now I'm just going to set my face with some setting spray. Now here's a closer look of how the eyes look. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye, my fellow oddities.